right, this is the video I always been wanting to make ever since I got these shoes. Y'all see the bag. I don't really have to say much, do I? Okay, let's proceed. It's your boy Fresh Cuts. Back at it again. Y'all see the blue handles. Y'all already know what's going on. Louis Vuitton. Alrighty. And I messed up on the first video, so I already took all this stuff out. I didn't feel like putting it back, but yep. Got your little receipt holder. Very nice. And right here, you got the important part. Let me find the... Oh, yep, I found it. All right, so no fakes, right? We good? Shout out to that the client advisor. I can't even talk. But y'all see what that say? It says $1,200. This was a birthday gift. My birthday was September 22nd. Y'all don't care about that. Let's just open the box. Actually, let's see the materials on the box. You already know Louis Vuitton is very classy. I'm sorry that I'm very ashy. I don't care. I'm getting money. All right. Nothing on the side. Boom. Just the blue handle that they're most famous for. Nothing on the bottom either. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Doing this with one hand, so. And there we go. Yes. The flight trainers. These boys. $1,200. This is what $1,200 give you. I like this part though. I like the clear sole. That's gonna get dirty as hell. Probably never gonna wear these, you know, maybe just for a flick. You already see I got that one stain on them already. Have to dust them off. Focus. Yep. So it's like a Jordan 4 shoe, but Louis Vuitton style. Very dope. Let me see if we can get the inside on that. Y'all can see that LV, hopefully. They probably have fake pairs of these, I don't know. But the leather is just buttery. The leather is just beautiful, man. Y'all can see the little suede. Yep, sir. Brown laces. Louis Vuitton logo on the tongue. The little swoosh. Yeah, very classy, man. I love this. This is rather shiny. Yeah, look at that. It's just changing. I know y'all thinking $1,200, you out your fucking mind, but you know what? I think this shoe is worth it. Call me crazy, but I think it's worth it. The bottom gonna get very dirty. I already took a picture in these, so, you know. Got the flower on right here. It's really like a Jordan 4. I didn't realize how much it looked like a Jordan 4. Pretty crazy. I wasn't even crazy about these, but when I seen them in person, they're very, very hard. These are hard. These are hard to pass up. If you find these in the Louis Vuitton store and you really want this, get it. Because you could sell these for more. I know they're $1,200, but online they're selling for more, man. And this is a size 10. This was the very last. Even though I feel like they always say that. I feel like that's their job to say, hey, this is the last pair, so that they can, you know, sell them to you. Honestly, but what you guys think? I'm not gonna spend too much time on them. That was the video from the other, you know. I'm gonna show y'all guys that too. But anyway, look at these, man. $1,200. Let me add this right here with it. Man. And the details is so amazing. The details are so amazing, man. Like the stitching, I ain't even see the stitching on the LV right here, wrapped in brown leather. I mean brown stitching, and then mixed with this brown leather. There's so many materials on this thing. I never really looked at this shoe like that. It's a lot of it looked like corduroy. This is still leather. Then it got suede. Very nice leather on the tongue. It says 8.5, but these, oh yeah, that's the thing too. These go very, very, very large. I don't know why they run so big, but they do. This 8.5 is literally a 10. So it's almost like a woman. Uh reverse. Because women's are larger than men. But anyway, I don't want to confuse you guys. It says Louis Vuitton right here. I ain't even picked that up. Yeah. This is my first time really looking at the shoe. Like, this shoe is really amazing, man. This shoe is very amazing. I know you guys like, yo, I love it, but 1200, sheesh. And I'm on the same wave as you guys. You know, it was my birthday. I had no idea I was even going to get this shoe, to be completely honest with you. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. Uh, just another back action again. And y'all got the receipt, y'all got the bag, y'all got the box. I guess this is it, man. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Fresh Cuts, FRESHHCUTZ on Instagram, Twitter. Any comments, questions, leave it in the, you know, down below. I'll get right back to you. And also came with this you know, duffel bag for each shoe. And then inside the duffel bag they got this you know, blue ribbons. They got a Nipsey Blue. Rest in peace to him. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anything else in there? Nope, just the receipt. All right, guys, I'll catch y'all later. Let me know what's up.